Hello everyone, and welcome to Business Talks. Today, I'm diving into how you can start your own import business from China to Pakistan. Let's break it down step by step, shall we? First off, understanding the market is crucial. Know the product you want to import thoroughly. Let's say it's mobile covers. You should be well versed in the various materials and designs available. Next, finding the right supplier is key. While platforms like Alibaba are popular, I recommend digging deeper. Try 1688.com for direct access to manufacturers. It's in Chinese, but the prices are significantly lower, and they offer trade assurances just like Alibaba. Now, about payments and quality control. It's essential to set up secure payment methods and ensure you have someone on the ground to check the quality. Don't transfer large sums without proper verification. Documentation can be daunting, right? Well, if you're starting small, don't sweat it. In Pakistan, custom agents can handle most of the paperwork for small quantities. But as your import volumes grow, you'll want to consider official registration to streamline processes. And lastly, connecting with reliable sources. Since most Chinese suppliers use platforms like WeChat, start establishing connections there. It's about building trust and ensuring you can communicate effectively to avoid any dadus, or in business terms, missteps or misunderstandings. And there you have it, folks. A simple yet effective roadmap to kickstart your import business from China to Pakistan. Remember, success in import-export lies in meticulous planning and strong relationships. So take that first step today, and who knows? Maybe you'll be the next big name in the import business. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.